Hey, what's up everyone? I want to do a quick video on the body.rs character dumper plugin. So to use it, firstly come to the resources section, go to tools and you'll find the body.rs character dumper. Go to it and press download. Save the file. Once you've downloaded it, go to the downloads section. Open up your Ringlight Plus location. Once you're in your Winautomation Plus folder, go to Config, Plugins, and go ahead and drag the body.rs jar into the plugins. Alright, so how do we actually use the plugin? Well, we need to go to our Winautomation Plus folder, go to the latest version, and go ahead and run that. I'm using OpenOSRS. It may not attach properly, so if it doesn't, like me, go ahead and run Winautomation Plus again. Click the process ID and attach. After you attach, you'll notice in your app data folder, if you type app data like that, press enter, you'll see a rsdump.txt file. You go ahead and open that, you'll see a bunch of data and whatnot, location X 0, location Y 0, and you'll see login index 10, that means we're not logged in. Just going to minimize that. If we look at the text file, now that we've logged in, we can see the login index changed. That means we're in the lobby. We have location X, location Y, our current animation, our health, prayer, hasn't fully loaded, so I'm going to go ahead and log in properly. Alright, so now that I'm logged in, if I open up the file, we can see the login index is 30. We can see our total XP, our current location, X and Y. The location plane, which means we're on floor 0. If I climb up a ladder, we'll be on floor 1. Our current animation, which is -1, which means we are idle. Our current health, our max health, our current prayer, max prayer, and that's pretty much it. So to use this data, we have to open up a new process in Winautomation. You can go ahead and add a special folder like so. So get special folder, you can drag that in. And we want to grab the special folder name application data like so, and store it into a variable, call it app data, like that. Then we want to read from the rsdump.txt, so add your file path app data /rsdump.txt, change the encoding to default, and you can store it in file contents. Now we want to convert JSON to a custom object, so you can search JSON and drag it in like that. The JSON we want to convert is file contents as the variable, and we store it into JSON as custom object. So if I go ahead and run this, down here in the variables manager, if we take a look at the JSON as custom object, we see we get a bunch of values and objects. So we have location X, location Y, animation ID, health, prayer, max prayer, login index, overall XP, and location plane. If we want to access a single value, you can double click on it and it'll tell you exactly what variable you need to use. Here we would use JSON as custom object.location X. If we wanted to grab the data from overall experience, you can double click that and it tells you what variable you would use. So I've added a display message box. I've called it stats, and I've added JSON as custom object.location X and JSON as custom object.location Y. So that's going to grab our X and Y from the rsdump file and display it as a message box.